10, David. We're coming out. Okay, guys, let's get this frog in the bird.
It's $100 million 6 ways, Box.
16 something?
Man, I have floor seats at the Lakers, put my kids through college, hire Holly Berry as my yoga instructor.
Matches power. RPMs match. Gear down now.
Shots fired, shots fired. Anybody see where it came from?
Second engine, they hit second engine, we are going down.
Everybody okay? DJ, Sanchez, take the suspect, go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Send me David to 114, we're coming in!
Hey, Jim, Street, keep it together, baby. Keep it together. Keep it together.
Shut up! Knock it off, we don't have time for your personal shit. Move them out. Let's move! Let's go. Move!
You tell them we're under goddamn attack!
An LAPD airship is down. How do you want us to proceed at this point?
What the hell happened?
Somebody shot our bird down.
No shit. How?
Well, my guess is big bore rifle, probably 50 caliber. Somebody knows how to use it. We're at a whole new level here, Captain.
So where the hell is the shooter, huh? I want this asshole out of here, now.
The best bet's to keep him on lockdown until we figure out who we're dealing with, sir.
Captain Fuller?
Yes.
I've got the chief of police on the phone for you.
So now we're talking about my ass. You draw up a plan, you execute it, and do not screw this up. Have it transferred to my office.
Yes, sir.
Can't believe how much grief that frog's $100 million offer's bringing us. You guys ready? You know what you got to do?
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. Where's TJ?
Right here, Hondo.
Sorry, man. Had some bad Thai food last night. It's not sitting well with me.
So you good to go or what?
No, I'm good now.
Let's go make the captain look like a hero. Be safe out there. Headed to the bird.
All right, we're moving out. Let's load him up!
Time to go. Put that on. shit. Hold it. Hey, come on now, get out of the damn street. Right there. Come on now.